My name is Dr. Jennifer Haley. As the newest member of Kyani's Scientific Advisory Board, I'm excited to share information with you about the science behind Kyani's new line of skincare products. As a board-certified dermatologist, I spend my career studying the effects of aging on the skin. My focus and expertise lies in treating the visible signs of aging in my patients by combining science, nature, and nutrition. When Kyani presented to me what they were doing with their new skincare line, I knew that we were going to be an excellent fit. I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about the mechanics of how skin ages and how Kyani's new skincare products work to help you look your best. When we are talking about skincare, what we're really talking about is aging and the visible signs of aging that come with it. Aging is a complex process involving both genetic and environmental factors. If your mother looked like she was 30 when she was 50, congratulations, you won the genetic lottery. But the rest of us are eventually going to show our age. It just happens. But the good news is that we've found that environmental factors determine 85 to 90% of the rate of aging. And many of these things can be controlled. They can be controlled by your lifestyle choices. Some of the things that make you age quicker include smoking, eating an unhealthy diet that contains alcohol, sugar, fried and processed food, sleep deprivation, high levels of stress, or lack of exercise. These are all environmental factors that can damage skin and accelerate the visible signs of aging, but they are controllable with healthy habits. On the other hand, environmental factors such as sun exposure, pollution, and chemical exposure are not always under our control. Sure, we can minimize them, but ultimately they are part of life. Most of us still go out in the sun and in some places breathe polluted air. So even under the best of conditions, our skin is under attack. So let's talk about how the skin works and how we can fight back. Healthy young skin appears smooth, supple, and radiant because fresh, new cells are brought to the surface as older cells are continuously shed. Youthful skin has the ability to constantly renew and repair itself. But as we age and these environmental factors begin to take their toll, the rate of cell renewal and turnover slows from an optimal 28 days to more than 56 days. This decrease in cell turnover causes the old cells to adhere and become sticky and not exfoliate as readily, resulting in skin that appears dry, dull, wrinkled, discolored, and saggy. Stem cells are the most important cells in the skin because they are unprogrammed cells that are the source for continuous regeneration of all other cells. They are the cells that release growth factors and other signaling molecules that communicate to promote new cell growth, regenerate damaged cells, and repair the damage caused by environmental factors. During the aging process, the number of self-renewing stem cells decreases and their functional ability to repair decreases. This results in slowed cell turnover and inability to keep up with repairing the environmental damages that occur to skin every day, from sunlight, pollution, processed foods, etc. A key ingredient in Kyani's skincare products are extracts of plant stem cells from a rare variety of Swiss apple. And plant stem cells function for a plant in the same way that our stem cells function. They release growth factors and other signaling molecules that communicate to promote new cell growth, protecting the plant from the same environmental stressors that damage our skin. Now, the key term here is growth factors. These unique plant stem cell extracts can be thought of as nutrients for the skin. And whether they come from human stem cells or plant stem cells, the growth factors released by these cells act as the nutrient building blocks our skin needs to regenerate and repair itself. The actual stem cell can't survive outside of the plant, so we use plant stem cell extracts because they are the purest, most stable way to ensure the quality and activity of the nutrients for your skin. These extracts have the potential to drastically increase the rate of skin cell regeneration by increasing the number, lifespan, and function of the skin's own stem cells. Here's what we know about the benefits of plant stem cell extracts we use and the growth factors they produce. They provide antioxidant protection, protect skin from sun damage, protect skin from other types of oxidative damage from your diet, environmental toxins, or pollution, provide anti-inflammatory benefits. They stimulate the growth of healthy epidermal stem cells. They increase the longevity of skin cells. They stimulate collagen formation in the deep dermis. Stem cell extracts from the Swiss apple are the key ingredient in Kyani's skincare products. This Swiss apple was known 300 years ago to stay fresh longer than any other apple. We now know that this ability to stay fresh longer has to do with the nutrient potency of the stem cells found in the skin of the apple. One study showed that a 0.1% concentration of stem cell extract from the Swiss apple stimulated the healthy growth of human stem cells by 80%. In a second experiment, human stem cells were damaged with UV light, harming 50% of those grown in a normal liquid culture. But less than 10% of the cells protected by the apple stem cell extract were harmed. In another trial with 20 patients, a cream containing the Swiss apple stem cell extract was found to reduce wrinkle depth by 8% after only 2 weeks, and 15% after 4 weeks. Like every other organ in our body, our skin needs proper care and nutrition both inside and out for optimized health and longevity. In conjunction with a healthy lifestyle and comprehensive skincare regimen, daily use of topical serums and creams containing plant stem cell extracts, like those in Kyani's new skincare products, will help protect, nourish, and repair skin for optimal health and longevity.